Welcome to Linux Fundamentals. We will explore listing directories, that is ls command, and wildcard characters today. If we want to list a directory, we can simply use ls, then enter. It will list all the directories and files in that directory. If we want to know the details of the files, we can use -la. It will give us the details information about directories and files. If it starts with D, then it's a directory, and if it starts with dash, it will be a file. And here you can see the access, that is what access it has. Here is the file name and how, when it was last modified, the file size name. Now we will explore the wildcard characters. The most popular wildcard characters are the asterisk, question mark, the brackets, and the curly braces. We will explore these four today. Suppose I want to match all the directories or file in this, then we can simply use the asterisk. It will print all list and directories. If I want to get only those file that ends with .fa, so asterisk this sign matches with the 0 or more characters. Now if I want to get the file names start with the homo, I can enter. You can see here we have all the file names start with the homo. If I want to match a single character, that is, suppose I have file human dot, if I enter it, you can see here human, and we have a mismatch only one character, that is, this is the question mark, that is, this question mark matches exactly one character. Suppose I want to use the bracket here, and I am using 1 2 3 inside the bracket. If we enter, we can get the same file name, that is human, then it takes only one character from here, that is, here we are defining a range, that is 1 to 3. It also works that I am writing the 1 to 3, that is without the dash sign, so here is no range. We should get human 1 and human 3 only here. So first was the range and second was with no range. And if I want homo, this is the use of curly braces. I am wanting that homo, then after sapiens or habilis, I want the file name, that is homo sapiens or homo habilis, then any character. So we get the all files that starts with homo, and after that there could be habilis or sapiens. I want to explore the subdirectories also, that is here human, we get human1.genome, human2.genome, human 3.genome, and usually it should work with -r, and if we want to explore the human, it should print the subdirectories also, and I think it's also the default. I hope you understand the thing how to explore or list the directories with the ls command. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.